In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. We're focusing on removing a person from a specific Slack channel, not deactivating their entire workspace account. You'll need the right permissions to do this, which usually means you're a channel manager or your admin allows members to manage channel participants. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your workspace admin. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and signing in if you're not already. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select the channel where you want to remove someone. In the example you're seeing, the channel has a simple name, but in your workspace, it'll be whatever project or team channel you're working in. Make sure you're in the correct channel, especially if there are similarly named ones or private versions with a lock icon. At the top of that channel, open the channel details so you can access the member list. You'll see an option labeled View Members. Click that to open the right side panel. This panel shows everyone who currently has access to the channel, along with a few management tools. If you land on a different section in that panel, switch to the Members tab so you can see the full roster. This is where you can browse or search for the person you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right person, especially if multiple teammates have similar display names. Next, hover over the person you plan to remove and click the three-dot menu that appears to the right of their name. This opens a small set of actions you can take for that individual. You may notice options like Make Channel Manager, which promotes a member's permissions, but for our purposes, we're going to use Remove from Channel. Go ahead and click Remove from Channel. Slack will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is to prevent accidental removals, which is especially helpful in busy channels. If you're certain, click Remove to confirm. That immediately revokes their access to the channel and its message history going forward. In many workspaces, Slack will show a small system note in the channel indicating a member was removed, which keeps things transparent for the rest of the team. If you change your mind at this point, click Cancel instead, and nothing will be changed. You can then close the dialog or the panel using the X in the corner to return to your channel view. Closing that panel is useful if you just needed to check something and aren't making any changes. If you need to remove additional people, repeat the same process. Open the member list, click the three dots next to the next person's name, choose Remove from Channel, and confirm by clicking Remove. Again, if you decide not to proceed, you can hit Cancel and close the panel with the X. Work your way through the list until you've removed everyone who no longer needs access. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. First, removing someone from a channel doesn't notify them directly via DM, but they'll no longer see the channel in their sidebar or be able to access its content. If you remove someone by mistake, you can re-invite them to the channel the same way you would add any member. Second, if your goal is to remove someone from your entire Slack workspace, that's a separate admin action and can't be done from a single channel's member list. You'd need to contact a workspace admin or use the admin console if you have that access. And that's it. Open the channel, view members, use the three-dot menu to select Remove from Channel, confirm, and close the panel when you're done. Follow the same flow for any other users you need to remove, and you'll keep your channels tidy and secure.